Stop digging for a paperclip to swap SIM cards. eSIM changes the game. SIM or eSIM, it's the same job. Authenticate you and get you online. eSIM stands for Embedded SIM. Instead of a physical card, the SIM is built into your phone. Your provider just sends a digital profile that your phone downloads to activate service. Using an eSIM is simple. On your phone, choose a plan for a country or region, scan a QR code, download the profile, and you're connected. This brings some real advantages. No physical SIM to lose or damage. No SIM tray. No tools. No shipping delays. Activation in minutes. You can keep multiple lines on one phone, like a home number and a travel plan, or work and personal. Travel ready. Buy a plan before you go, activate on airport Wi-Fi, and you're online right away. Someone might ask, if I'm in Singapore and I use a Japan eSIM, can I watch Japan-only anime from here? The answer is sometimes, but not reliable. To understand why, here's the key thing about eSIMs. It gets you online. It puts you on a Japanese provider's data plan. It doesn't guarantee a Japan IP. And geo-blocks go by IP. And what IP you get depends on where your traffic exits. Most eSIM plans use a local exit. Your traffic exits right where you are. So if you're in Singapore, your IP still shows Singapore, and you still get blocked. But some plans use an overseas exit. Your traffic exits in another nearby country. If that country is Japan, you get a Japan IP, and the geo-block won't kick in. Overseas exits cost more to run, so they're rare, and you usually don't know where your traffic is exiting. It can change anytime. So eSIM isn't a reliable way to bypass blocks. And there are other limitations. Not every phone supports eSIM. To check, dial *06 number. If you see an EID number, your phone supports eSIM. Not plug and play. Switching phones may require a transfer or reactivation. No extra privacy. Your data still goes through the provider without extra encryption. That's why people still use a VPN. eSIM and VPN solve different problems. eSIM handles access, which network you connect to, what IP you get, and how you get online. A VPN kicks in after you're connected. It encrypts your traffic, controls your exit IP, and helps avoid content or communication blocks. So think of them as a combo, not a choice. eSIM gets you online fast, anywhere, and VPN makes that connection safer, more private, and more flexible. That's where XVPN fits in. With servers in 80 countries and over 250 regions, it helps you get around content and location blocks. And with obfuscation, VPN traffic is harder to detect, block, or throttle. Pair XVPN with the right eSIM plan, and you get a secure connection across multiple devices without paying a premium. If you use eSIM, or you're about to, download XVPN and level up your connection.